These are some brand new BASENOR mud flaps. I would say that mud flaps are probably one of the top 2 or 3 accessories to consider. Floor mats being another one, and the little organizer trays for the cabin is another one that's great. And then probably the anti-glare screen that goes over the main 15-inch screen. Those are probably the tops. But these are the mud flaps. I'm gonna unbox it for you. Unfortunately, some of the footage in the middle where I was actually installing it got corrupted. So I'm just gonna kind of bounce around and show you as much as I can. These are great. I have now installed mud flaps from BASENOR on my 2021 Model Y, and now these, the style's a little bit different. These have some vertical lines running up and down, which kind of gives it an extra little cool look, but they're both great. Mine have been on my car for now 3.5 years, and they're still going strong. So anyway, here's the unpackaging. All of them are labeled like driver's side front, driver's side rear, passenger side front, passenger side rear. Here's all the parts that come with it. There's basically those little plastic rivets that just punch in. You'll see it when you get it. They're just really easy. You just put one in the hole and then it just punches in like a screw, but there's no actual screw happening. And here's all the instructions. There's a couple of metal clips that hold them down, a little extra. My mud flaps don't even have those metal clips, so it's kind of a cool upgrade. And then there's an extra screw because the back wheels have an extra screw underneath the bumper that has to be put in. Again, this is really simple stuff and the instructions are really good. So here we are, final product. I kind of skipped forward just to kind of show you how it ended up. This is after we've driven them for maybe a couple weeks or so, so they're a little bit dirty, but you can tell they're doing the job. Mud flaps are great because they look cool, kind of finishes out the look of the car, but also it does keep mud from slinging down the side of your car quite a bit. So I'm a big fan of the mud flaps. Little inside look there. Again, get the instructions. It's not hard. It's just follow the pictures and anybody can do it. Here's a collection of all the pieces. Those 2 little discs go on the back. Those clips, there were actually extra ones. Those go on the back and on the sides. Yeah, there's the little rivets that I was telling you about. That little wrench looking thing, that's for the screw, to take the screw off underneath the bumper. Anyway, super easy. You'll like it. All right, here I am at the beginning of the process again. There's all the pieces laid out on the floor. This is before my footage went bad, and you can kind of tell that's what it looks like before. And then afterwards, I'll just run it one more time, show you what it looks like afterwards. But first, here's how these rivets work. You pull the old ones out of the hole. There are some plugs in the holes currently. You're gonna line up the mud flap, and then you're gonna throw in the little screw or little punch right through there. And I mean, it's as easy as this, guys. Line it up, push it in, and there's pressure that's developed between that rivet and it just holds. It's just great. Here's the back again. Really impressed with it. There's a little washer that goes on the top there. I don't know, guys. Mud flaps are great. These look great. I really highly recommend them. This is from BASENOR. BASENOR sends me products to review. I did not pay for this product, but I would. This is my honest review. Well priced, well made, really, really, really great stuff. Hope that helps.